Getting some gas, like I usually do. Alright, good morning everyone. Yes, we are at a gas station. Don't tell Shell, my partner. I'm with my boy Jay. Jay, how's it going, sir?
Hey,
I just gotta put earplugs in. So today I'm hitting you guys with a rerun of the last video, but this video is actually gonna go up first before any other video. Let me explain. So today is Memorial Day, and I'm probably gonna post this video before the other two, so the next two videos you see in line are actually before this one. I hope that made sense. But he wanted to go down to the beach area. I was like, I rode to up north yesterday. He's like, oh, okay, let's go up north, man. I was like, it's a long ride. He's like, I don't give a shit. I got all day. So we do have all day. I apologize, I'm hitting you guys with another rerun, but it should be fun. Should be a fun little ride and just chilling. We have a little more time today, so it is going to be a very, very long ride. So once we leave this gas station, I'm not going to update you guys until we actually make it over there, because it's like an hour and a half ride. So I'm going to STOP filming. I have to spell it out. I gotta put earplugs in real quick, and then we're gonna be on our way.
2,000 years later.
Alrighty, yeah, we are back. Oh shit, what the hell was that? Oh, it's a bee. Ha! Anyway, we're gonna make one quick stop right up the road up here. Man, that bee is just like all over me right now. We're gonna make one quick stop up there as soon as I find my keys. I'm sure there's gonna be a million people up there. So again, I was just up here yesterday, but yesterday as in two videos from this one. So the next video you see of me up here was actually before this video. Stay with me on that. But I absolutely love it up here. Love, love, love. It is really warm up here too. I was not expecting to be this warm, but the sun out, it just makes for a perfect ride. You know what? It's just like if I went around these cars right now, that's when it would pop up. I promise it's up here somewhere. Okay, maybe I lied. Maybe it wasn't right around the block. It's a big open area too, so it's like where they the salt trucks are and everything, where they build up their salt and their sand. Ah, there it is, right up there. Told you to be people up here. See? I promised you guys a view. Take a look at that shit. Did you want to go to where I went yesterday, or further up would be almost into Tahoe?
You've never been there, I've never been there. Let's go.
To Tahoe? I've been to Tahoe, but just not on a bike. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Lake Tahoe. I really didn't have anything to really talk about. We'll be doing multiple stops though. I told him I want to keep resting as much as possible, because on the way home, that's it, we out. Oh man, I really hope the camera picks this up. Of course, half of it's burnt up from fires last year, or the year before, I forgot when. Oh wee! You guys already know I am a sucker for views. There's a waterfall over here. I don't know how waterfally it is. Oh yeah, it's pretty watery. She's a flower. It's crazy, I've never been up here around these times. I've always been up here during the winter. So all these roads are usually like snow. Let's see if there's a river that kind of flows underneath here. Oh yeah, she's a river right now. She's a heavy flower too. Come on, man. Oh, thank God. Pass the lane, quarter mile. See, if I was stuck behind a truck towing a trailer and they were going that slow, I get it. I really do. Oh man, so first off, I am so sorry guys. So I don't know what happened, but my GoPro decided to turn off. I don't know when it happened. We got to this destination where it's like all these boats and stuff that you could rent, and I looked at my GoPro and that shit was off. So I don't know what I lost, where I left off, so I do apologize if this video is going to be absolutely everywhere. But we're about to head home. It's like 5:30. We still got like a 2.5 hour ride. It's not going to be fun. Hey Jay, you ready? Hey Jay, you ready? God, he can't hear me when I say that. We're still good, right?
Yeah.
Let's get the puck out of here. Hey, you face me. What's wrong with you? Boop. Gotta wait for my bike to warm up, Jay. Relax. Settle down. The little kid was staring at me, so I stared back. I feel like I'm back home with all these red lights. Excuse me. I like riding with him. Dang hooligans and their bicycles. Get off my lawn, you dang kids. I really just rev bombed them, not to be a dick, just kind of just, I don't know. I don't know why, I just did it. Officer, nothing to see here. I think I missed all through these mountains and everything just riding. But in other news, it's only 98 miles to Sacramento. Yay! Oh, today was such a gorgeous day out too. Those views look amazing. I don't know who decided to build a road through here. Like, who drove up here and was like, you know what? This would be a good spot to build a road. I always wondered that. Well, since you guys didn't see it on the way down here, now you guys get to see it on the way back. Well, hopefully you guys get some views out of this and enjoyment. So on the way up to Tahoe, or yeah, on the way up to Tahoe, we were able to hit these turns a little bit faster. But now leaving, there's so much people leaving, so it makes it a little more difficult because there's a lot more cars out. But I'm gonna try for you guys. Try my hardest. Woo-wee. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I don't think people realize like the turnout spots are for you, like slower traffic. And I know a lot of people will maybe watching this and be like, wow, you're a real asshole for saying that. But it's the truth. It's the truth. You're going 35. Come on. See if I can make this no hands. Look at this. No hands. No hands. No hands. No hands. He's probably looking at me like, what an idiot. Wow, this trip back was so anticlimactic. So for sure I'd be able to get some leaning in like I did on the way up. Oh, but I forgot. I didn't have the footage for that. It's like you pass one car and you come right up to another one. I'm so frustrated my voice cracks. Oh, just let me live, damn it. Let me live. Thank you. I don't know if I said it earlier, but this video is going to go live before the next two videos you see. So I want to post this one first. It's going to be a little late for a Memorial Day appreciation. Regardless, I wanted to give a huge shout out to all of my brothers and sisters in arms. That's across all 5 branches. Yes, I am including Coast Guard. And that goes for both past and present. I want to say happy Memorial Day to all of you. Hopefully you guys aren't just using this day as a day to get drunk and party and get litty with all your friends. Take this day for what it actually physically is. But with that, I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video. I apologize that I may or may not have lost all the footage going up to Tahoe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Regardless, give this video a big old fat thumbs up. If you guys aren't already doing so, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you guys are aware when I upload a new video. That's a tongue twister sometimes. Head over to my second channel if you guys are into cars. That channel is strictly cars still, so you guys will see some of my builds that I am doing on other vehicles, not just bikes. You guys already know you should be following me on Instagram as well, because I do post little updates on my stories that you guys won't see in these videos. But I need each and every single one of you guys to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated in all of your life goals. Despite the chaos in this world, success never comes easy. You guys gotta work your ass off through it. Your boy Machine here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion.